Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about why your fuel tank is not filling up. So, the most common reason why your fuel tank is not filling up is because you have a clogged or a faulty evaporative emission control system, or EVAP. The EVAP is designed to collect and store the fuel vapors from the fuel tank and move them to the intake manifold for combustion. If your EVAP is clogged or faulty, you won't be able to fill your gas tank. So when you go to the gas station to get some fuel, and then when you put the actual gas into the car, it displaces the air that's in the tank, and that air has to come out somewhere. Now in the old days, the air would just come right back out of where the filter was, and it will pollute the atmosphere. But now the modern day cars use a system that's called an EVAP. So the EVAP is designed to keep the vapors from polluting the atmosphere by keeping them inside. EVAP systems have been installed in modern vehicles since 1970s. Their purpose is to collect and store fuel vapors from the fuel tank, and at the correct time to move them to the intake manifold for combustion. EVAP systems have changed over the years from simple float bowl and fuel tank vacuum operated types to fully sealed OBD to monitor and ECM control systems. So if your evaporative emission control system is clogged or faulty, it will keep shutting off your fuel pump, and won't be able to fill your tank with fuel. A solution to this problem can be easy as cleaning some of the hoses, or it could be serious as replacing some of the EVAP components.